Hello from Slovenia again. I used those fluorescent colors for my flower dip in the last video, and I want to use them again today, but with the split cup. I have fluorescent blue, violet, pink, orange, yellow and green, and I have some pearl white that I will add just on top, just to maybe add a little interest. And I don't want to fill this all the way up, because I'm working on 12 by 12 inch canvas, and this should be enough paint because this is 9-ounce cup, and it should be enough. And I will add a little of pearl white on top. So why pearl white? Ooh, what is this? Those colors were on my table for a few days, and hopefully it will not affect the painting too much. I don't know what is going on with this yellow. Okay, so let's add some pearl white just on top. Okie doke. And I will pour, spin, travel a little bit. I don't know, I will go with the flow. I will add some black flow extender around because I have just black. It's a windy weather here today. I hope that everyone is safe after the Milton. I really like this part, but not this part, so I just don't know how to tear this off without losing too much of the parts that I like. And I have detached canvas, so I have to take care of my sides too. I'm not a big fan of this part, but this part here is just gorgeous. So beautiful. And I did got some effect from pearl white. This one is empty. The air bubbles. And this part is beautiful too. This is my favorite one. So I will call it done. See this part here where is more pearl white at the beginning is beautiful, but I kind of didn't incorporate that with the part that was less pearl white, I think. Just this line here is not my favorite. I love this part because it has all of the colors in there, and I can't wait to see how this will look under the black light. I will try to do a close-up under the black light too. This green fading into blue is just gorgeous. Here are those sunset colors. Just wish that I would incorporate this part a little more I don't know, but I like it anyway. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will manage to show you under the black light too.